Travessa da Begonia, Hornican, Travessa do Crisantemo, Kiko for the young lanes of Macau. Begonia and Crisantemo, lanes of Macau. Travessa da Begonia, Travessa do Crisantemo, going all around Green Island of Macau, up by the border. Begonia and Crisantemo.
Okay, this little street right here, I believe this one goes all the way down, like along this way and around this way. And then up there is St. Joseph's University, parking garage for St. Joseph's University, University of St. Joseph, Strada Nova de Verde. So we're gonna, and over there is the China border right there. So we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then I'm gonna try to find the last time I was here where there was a lot of stuff going on in this back alley. So let's put this up, that'll be attached to the end of this video. Okay, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down this way and around. So parking garage right there. Yeah, the last time I was here, I think I was with a friend of mine, and I filmed in this area, and I don't think I knew what the name of the street was. I don't think I knew. I think I just called it like Green Island, and but it's actually called. It actually has a name, and there's actually some hiking trails up there as well. So let me just see if anything is. It's kind of quiet today. In this area, you can see that you can exercise. They also have this right here for your feet. And I think the other time I was here, there was a lot of people around. You can actually get up to this mountain up there too. You can climb up in that area. I think we might actually walk. Oh, well, I'll link that one to, behind, so you can see exactly what that looked like as well. And I think I'm going to relabel that one accordingly. But yeah, the other time I was here, there was a lot of people around. Travessa de Begonia. I guess there's still some people. It's kind of cold. I'm playing Chinese chess. But yeah, I think the other time I was up in these trails and kind of hiking around. It's a nice shrine right there. Feels kind of chilly today. But yeah, you can go up right there. Yeah, this is a really nice little space. I wonder if that's open. That might be closed today. Yeah, some nice places to sit as well, some benches. Yeah, it looks like it's actually closed today. So there was another time where I was able to go all the way up there. But I'll put that so at the very end of this video there'll be a thumbnail and you'll be able to see. It's actually locked today. Yeah, that's actually completely locked. So yeah, that's interesting. There goes a cat up there. But yeah, so up there there's all these little trails. Really photogenic too. That's too bad that we can't film it today. Actually, they're playing Zhengxi. Very animated into the game. Okay, so that is yeah, that's that little street right there. And you can go all the way up and all the way down. And then we're kind of coming out into this Green Island area. Let me see here. Okay. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to this space. And let me see here. And actually this has another name. This is a name that I haven't seen before. That's the problem. I'm trying to record all the different cities and all the different streets in Macau. There's just so many. So this is a little tiny Travessa right here. I don't even know what, I'll look it up and see what it means. So this whole space is also part of that as well. Oh, it's not part of it, but it's I'm going to include it. This one and that one. Yep, pretty cool. Okay, well, let's walk down our second street. Crisantemo. Yeah, I'll never be able to film all the streets of Macau because how can I? Just when you think that you filmed. So right over there, there's a park. I can't believe there's another. A lot of these aren't even on the map. Okay, so we're gonna come out to the main street right here, and that's Qingmao right there. That's the border gate, and then this is all Zhuhai China over there, and then this goes into Green Island, Ilha Verde, and our street, our two streets was this one right here, and then into that other alley. So we'll end it right here. Slice of